Hello, so here's the teach video to a line dance called Sister Kate. It's danced to a song called Sister Kate, and this version is by the Ditty Bops. Now this is a very old song. It's apparently was first published in 1922, so it's over 100 years old, and it's been done by hundreds and hundreds of different people over the years as a jazz classic. Jazz dance classic. Apparently the Beatles included it in their tour of Hamburg in 1962, and David Bowie used it on his Diamond Dogs tour, allegedly. That's according to Wikipedia. Anyway, it's a fairly simple dance, 32 beat, 4-wall dance. It's an improver dance because it's basically all and counts. And there's a 4-beat tag which you dance first of all on the 3 o'clock wall, then the 9 o'clock wall, and finally on the 6 o'clock wall. And after you've danced that tag, you dance S1 and S2 to finish, and as you finish in the S2 there's normally a quarter turn pardon me, quarter turn right. You do a half turn right to bring yourself back to the front. And you'll find this video on the Copper Knob website, along with the teach video and the step sheet and everything else you might want to know if you're in the least bit interested. Okay, so as I say, it's only 32 beats, four lots of 8. So let's make a start. Start off with a coaster step right, and then heel toe swivel left. So that's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. Then you do the whole thing, mirror image, coaster step left, heel toe swivel right, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Okay, that's the first phrase. Second phrase, coaster step right, but this time with your left foot you put your toe forward, out and in. So that's 1 and 2, 3 and 4. And then again, coaster step left, but this time you do a quarter cross turn to the right. So that's 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. Okay, then you do, I'll bring myself back to the front for this. You do 2 kickball crosses followed by a step to the right and back, right, back on the left, and then a quick weave to the left. So that will be 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8 and. Okay, so that's the second phrase. And obviously you start that from the 9 o'clock wall, so that'll bring you back to the front. Okay, so for the that's the third phrase. Final phrase, you do a half volta turn to the left, which basically involves 4 1/8 turns, which makes up a half turn, leading with your left foot. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. When you get to the back, it's just 2 back cross mambos to finish. 5 and 6, 7 and 8. And that's it. That's the whole dance. Obviously, as I said, you'll finish up. You've done your turn to the left first, and then when you've done your volta turns and everything, you'll be finishing facing the 3 o'clock wall, where you do your first of the tags, which is very simple. Toe heel scuff, 1 and 2, and then step left and right, 3 and 4. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and that's it. So yeah. What else is there to say, really? Had fun doing that. Good little song, and as I say, you can find it on Copper Knob if you're at all interested, and maybe I'll see you next time.